So here's the circuit for the Arduino Nano so that it can detect if it's being powered by the USB. You can see when I disconnect it, it's running through the battery and it knows that it doesn't have the power, so it's blinking this LED. So how did I figure this out? I'll show you. What I've done is the battery is being connected from ground to VIN, and then the trick is the A reference. The reference voltage, you have to set it to external in the setting and connect that to the VIN pin. So that's going to be measuring the using the battery as your reference. And then your analog read pin, you're going to connect it to the 5-volt rail. And that's going to be having a difference. So when it's powered, the analog read will read 1023 in the analog read. And then when you disconnect it, it's going to read a little bit lower because this battery is not 5 volts. And so when I disconnect it, it detects it, and then you can have some code. So this is really useful to detect if it's being powered via a USB. For the code, again, the only real code that you have to make sure that you include is the analog reference external. And then I just have the analog read, and if it was equal to 1023, that means it has the USB power. If not, then you can have whatever code you have here. Hope this is helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.